Alright, I got another video for you guys showing you guys how to replace the blower motor in Acura TL, but this will work for other models also. So basically what I'm going to do is try to give you guys a step-to-step tutorial on how to remove this. Okay, so what this is right here is the blower motor cover. What the blower motor is that it blows air throughout the car when you turn on the fan for the heat and the AC and stuff like that. So this is the blower motor cover. This is the cover right here. It comes off. It's just one screw here. Okay. Then there's gonna be another couple screws in here. Let me try to get you guys a good view. There's one here. There's another one here behind the blower motor hose. This hose you can just pull and detach. It just swivels out. See, next screw. And then there's one more right here. Okay, on the top. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws. This is the connector for the blower motor here. So once you release those 3 screws, the blower motor should drop down. Okay, so right now I'm gonna take out the 3 screws and then catch back the video for you guys. Okay, so took out the 3 screws for the blower motor. It's one here, one up here in the front, and then the other one in the back. So now this is the connector for the blower motor. It's just a tab here. You press on the tab right here and you pull the connector out like so. You just press on this tab. Okay, then the blower motor, you just wiggle it and it'll come right out, and this is your blower motor. Just showing you guys how easy it is to do, to remove, and then you just put everything back in reverse order. A good way to test is to connect a piece of wiring, a red and a black wire, to the positive and a negative terminal on the battery. It doesn't matter which one, because regardless of what, it'll turn on and it'll still spin regardless of the negative, positive, positive, negative. And if you know you got it the wrong way, it'll just spin backwards, but at least you know that the motor still works. So then from that, you get the new blower motor. That's how you test it to see if your blower motor is bad. That's how you test it. You connect it to the battery terminals with 2 wires. Connect one on this terminal, one on that terminal, and you connect it to the battery terminals, and then this should spin. This will spin. And once that starts spinning, at least you know it's a blower motor. It's not the blower motor. The blower motor is good. Put everything back. Most of the time when they change this, the blower motor goes bad, they usually replace the blower motor resistor. This is the resistor here. What this does is it sends a certain amount of electricity to the blower motor, and this will change the different speeds of the blower motor. So sometimes people usually replace this also. This was a common problem with the 2nd gen TLs, where this would happen and they would just replace this and this would fix the problem. But I haven't really heard of anybody with the 3rd gens having this issue. The reason why I'm making this video is because I had a customer that came through the other day that had this issue, and for some reason after I took everything out and put everything back in, it just started working. So I think he had an issue with this head unit, but I'm just showing for the people who probably down the line their blower motor go out or their blower motor will stop blowing. This could be your culprit. This is the load resistor, the resistor for the blower motor. This turns the speed up and down, slows it down, speeds it back up. So basically all it is these 2 screws, 1, 2, and then there's a tab up here to press on, but you can take the 2 screws out and then pull it out and then unclip the resistor. So I'm going to show you guys how to replace that also. So what I'm going to do is catch back the video, and I'm going to take out the 2 screws, then I'm going to pull it out and show you where to go from there. Okay, all right, we're back in business. So I took the 2 screws out. I unscrewed the 2 screws. And then there's the connector here. So you just pull this out. This will wiggle out the resistor. So then you turn it. And you press on the tab here on the top. And it'll drop the resistor. So this is what the blow motor resistor looks like. Okay. Simple part, I think it's about $30, $40. And then you replace the blow motor also if you decide to. If it's not the blow motor, then 9 times out of 10 it's the resistor. So you just replace the resistor, put it back in the opposite direction. I mean in the, you know, the reverse order, and then just put everything back in. But what you can do is you could try replacing the resistor first before you replace the blow motor. But I showed you how to test the blow motor. So you test the blow motor first, and if the blow motor is working, then replace this. And this should fix your issue and your problem that you're having, the resistor. But if your blow motor doesn't work when you jump it, if it doesn't work at all, then just replace the blow motor, put everything back, then turn on your fan settings, your heating settings, or whatever it is to turn the fan on, and then that's it. But if you're having issues with turning the speed up for the fan and other issues, most of the time it's the resistor, and this will fix the problem. So look into replacing that. What I'll do is I'll put a link in the description in the bottom for this also, so you can replace this in case it's the issue. So I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys, showing you guys how to do it. So now I'm going to put everything back and then show you that my blow motor works and everything works fine or whatever. Okay, all right, catch back the video for you guys. All right, catch back the video. Installed everything. Put the two screws back in the back. 1 screw here, 1 screw here. This one's gonna be a little difficult to put back in or whatever because it's in the corner here, but just kind of thread it in by hand. Then just slide the connector back in, goes right back in, snaps right in. Okay, then with this, you just put the 3 screws back. Right, the 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here. This will come off when this tubing comes off, and it's pushed back like this. Tubing will come right off. You'll see that there's tube connector here. Just slide that on to right here. Boom. And then just slide this back onto here. And that's it. That's the blow motor hose. Okay. So then you put the screws back, then you put the cover back on, and you put the 1 screw back on the cover down here. And that's it. Everything's plugged up. And then you plug the connector back in. This one just plugs directly into the blow motor fan. And so now we're gonna, no more floor is dirty, but okay. So now we're gonna like turn the car on. And the fan's working. It's good to go. Hear that? It's working perfectly fine. That was a way of showing you how to troubleshoot your system. If you have that issue and that problem, that'll fix you, and that'll show you how to replace your blow motor. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace.